At Rubi Group, we specialize in the engineering, development and manufacturing of steel and aluminum metal products and subassemblies, mainly for the automotive industry. Our core processes include stamping, rollforming, welding and assembly, which demands high standards of quality and productivity. Rubi Group is committed to the digitalization, automation and sustainability of our processes using technologies such as artificial vision, IoT, big data, artificial intelligence, robotics and other state-of-the-art technologies. We aim to connect with top innovative talent, support the best startups in the world in the field of smart industry, and create partnerships to develop new knowledge and test cutting-edge technological solutions to improve operational efficiency and environmental protection. We are confident that you will approach us with a disruptive vision and demonstrate enthusiasm and maximum commitment to validate innovative technologies in real-world scenarios. Join us and let's collaborate in this innovative digital industry.